You can make a landing page as a unique introduction to your site, or as a way to convey important information. A landing page is great for newsletter signups, product reveals, an under construction page, or an important announcement. To start, navigate to your Pages panel. Then click the plus icon. Click Blank Page. Name the page. Then click Edit. Click Add Section. From here, you can either add a blank section or choose from a range of pre-built sections. Click Add Block to add content to your landing page, or edit the elements in the pre-built section that you chose. When you're finished, click Edit Section to change how the section looks. You can add a background image, or change the colors with a different theme. When you're finished, click Save. To hide your site's header and footer on the landing page, hover over it in the Pages panel, then click the Settings icon. Click Navigation, then toggle off Show Header and Show Footer. To make your landing page your homepage, click General, then click Set as Homepage. When you're done, click Save. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.